to my camper. Sorry if you can hear the AC going. It's right above my head and there's literally nothing I can do. Anyways, I actually filmed this eye look. It is with, I brought it with me. It's the new palette, or new to me, from DD Signature, the Ultimate Cappuccino palette. It was in our ice cream beauty box for May, and I just thought it was so pretty. So I created this look with it, and I also used the Salt New York face and everything in that video. So I just have to edit it and everything. But today we are focusing on our Boxycharm by Ipsy. You know, yeah, Ipsy, you're really screwing me up when you put Ipsy on the box and I'm supposed to say Boxycharm by Ipsy. I paid for this box and I'm 99% sure I did make my picks. You all actually told Jotty to give your girl a text and I was like, shockingly enough, I actually remembered. I did get a little PR package from Pantene. I know, if you guys have been with me on my hair journey, Pantene brought my hair back to life. I know a lot of people will say some negative things about it, and that's okay. Everyone's got their own opinion, but y'all, when it comes to my hair literally changing for the better, it was Pantene that did it. I swear by this stuff. It's amazing. So I'll unbox that for you guys. But before we jump into today's video, I do want to give a big shout out and thank you to my YouTube members that help me every single month to support this channel. You don't have to, but you choose to, and I appreciate each and every single one of you all. To those of you clicking the thanks button and tipping and donating to the channel, a ginormous thank you to you all. And for those of you that are returning, commenting, sharing my videos over on Facebook, a huge thank you to you guys as well. That's my husband coming in right now, and I forgot to shut the door. Anyway, no, don't make me edit. Alright, so this is a monthly subscription. I do have an affiliate link if you guys do want to sign up. It's about $36, I think, and you do get 5 full-size products. You get to choose 3 out of the 5, and Ipsy, aka Boxy, aka Ipsy, whatever. They choose 2 out of the... I was screaming. They choose 2 out of the 5. Padding. We don't know her. Oh Lord, this is going to be interesting. All right, so we do get a little pamphlet in here, and it is themed The Secret Garden. I thought you were going to be out a little bit longer. That's why I didn't shut the bedroom door. Thanks, Dave. Okay, so the first thing, and I know that they picked this for me. This is the Ciate London palette. It is the I Am Woman, What's Your Superpower? When I first saw this as what they picked for me, I was about to jump online and start griping and complaining. Fortunately, I received this in PR, and right down here in the little fine print, it says volume 2. So if you're like your girl, and you're like, that is a repeat, I can't believe they repeated this, they actually didn't. They didn't. It's volume 2. So I was really excited that it's actually volume 2. At this point, I'm just making sure it's not broken. So it is in your cardboard packaging type of dealio. How did you make it? I have no clue how this made it. I really, truly don't. It's a beautiful palette. I told you guys that it actually really reminded me a lot of the Makeup Revolution times Emily Noel palette that she did a few years back with, I guess it's more or less like the pinkies and the purples, and I don't know, but for whatever reason when I first opened it, that's what I thought. So I think it's a very pretty palette. You guys know I love the Makeup Revolution palette by Emily Noel. Like, I did a few videos on it. So that is the palette, and I think it's pretty for the summertime. I think we're going to be able to definitely create some really beautiful looks with it, and I'll probably do that while I'm down here, create a look to, you know, show you guys with this palette. If you also received it, let me know. Actually, I'm going to just do it, and hopefully y'all watch it and you like it. And if you do, thank you. I appreciate it. Alright, next in here, I think this was the other, no, this was the other pick that they picked for me, I think, was a Dr. Brand Luminizer Primer. You know, this was something that a while back we used to see. I feel like 2017, 2018 Boxycharm. Not really too much of a scent, but it was funny because I feel like when I did receive this back in the day, I was very like ho-hum about it because that's when it was all very much a matte type of situation. Like everybody was doing the Kat Von D matte face, oily skin, so much powder, and now everybody's like, give me my skin but better, you know, like let's let the oils come through. Hence the Salt New York, beautiful cream, beautiful formula. I love it. That's what I have on. So I think I'm actually gonna really like this. I feel like back in the day I was very like, I want a matte primer. Now I have extremely dry skin and I want luminosity. So the Dr. Brandt primer will probably work really well. Alright, next in here, I chose this for not only myself, but for my 18-year-old, 19-year-old if he wants to use it. The Kate Somerville Eradicate Acne Treatment. The Kate Somerville line is just really, really good. And this is like one of those pimple dot thingies where you just take a Q-tip and dot it down in here. I don't know, it looks like calamine lotion to me. But I thought this would be good for the occasional once a month hormonal breakout or whatever. I'm sitting in front of a window, guys, so y'all know my ADHD is going to be strong. Alright, very strong. Alright, moving on. The next thing that I picked out was the Script Primer and Lip Liner by Half Caked Cosmetics. And this just seemed intriguing when I saw it online. I'll be honest, I wasn't really thrilled with a lot of my choices. I didn't think they were like over the top, but I did like the fact that you got a nice little liner on one side, and it's a really, honestly, a really pretty pinky nude, which I love. You guys know I love a good like bluish kind of undertone because I drink a ton of coffee. So if you're curious about what's on my lips, stay tuned, friends. So this, I guess, is the primer. What? Primer? Okay. So you prime your lips first with this, which I did not do. So let's do that. So I've already got the Dr. Brandt on here, but it's fine. So this literally doesn't seem to have much of anything on here. And then I guess you go over with this. That's interesting, because you see what I got without doing the primer, and that's with doing the primer. Maybe the primer, maybe you would do the lip liner and then go in and prime your lips for your lipstick, and maybe this helps with any like fine lines you may have. That would have to be my guess. Quick intermission before we keep doing my unboxing, y'all. I do want to let you guys know that for the month of May, Jen has given us a coupon, Hotmess 30, and it's going to save you 30% off your hair AF for the month of May. So again, code Hotmess 30 is going to get you 30% off your hair AF, making it $69. Now, it may sound expensive at first if you think of it as a 30-day supply. But my friends, this is not a 30-day supply. Okay, this is going to last you a few months. So this, all you need is you can do it 10 drops, hold it under your tongue for 20 seconds 3 times a day. It's a homeopathic hair growth type of tincture. It doesn't taste the best, but it definitely doesn't taste the worst, and it actually works. I am living proof of that. I love this stuff. I have used it since actually before it even launched, and I love this. Like I said, this little bottle is not a 30-day supply. It's going to last you a few months, and you're going to get it for $69. So 69, say, divided by 3. Fast math, not my thing, but might be yours. So just use code HOTMESS30 and save yourself 30% over at Gerard Cosmetics. I'll have it linked down below for you guys, and thank you if you use that code. That is an affiliate code. So the last thing that I got is the Gloss Moderne. Maybe they chose this for me. You guys know, like, even if I make my picks, it doesn't mean I'm gonna remember what I picked. But this is the body cream, so I would have picked this probably if this was a choice, because I like this a lot. So I'll just leave it down here. But it's a hand lotion, and it's really good. It's a body lotion too, and it smells really nice. that was the other thing that I liked about this. I had gotten a body scrub. I need to try that. I haven't tried it yet. It's like a deluxe size sample that I got in my little Ipsy glam bag. And I figured I'd save it for when I'm traveling because I still like to exfoliate. I feel like I get really bad dry skin when I'm traveling. Yeah, that just smells so good and luxurious. It smells really, really nice. All right. I really like this. I like this a lot. There's nothing to show you. Okay, welcome to my brain. Anyways, that is everything in my Boxycharm by Ipsy. God forbid I remember. I'll be 100. It's not my favorite box. I just feel like I've had better, but it's not horrible, you know, because I know I'll use this. I honestly really like the color of the lip liner, so this is going to go great. Keep y'all posted on this. This was actually, you know, I'm saying it's not the best, but honestly, the things that I did receive were kind of needed things that I will use. So I will come back and create a look using this Ciate London I Am Woman What's Your Superpower Volume 2 palette. That's a lot for a palette. I'll come back and create a look with that probably tomorrow morning. So stay tuned for that video. That'll be coming up. But anyways, that is all for my Boxycharm. Do you know what I forgot to show you guys? My goodies from Pantene. Let's go ahead and get into that, and then I'll clip into the outro. How about that? Okay. Alright, so they sent over, is this like it's a heart brush. How flipping cute is that? We've got the Healthy Hair Era Unlocked. What's new at Pantene? They got the Pro V Miracles collection. Oh my gosh, this is so awesome. So they sent over a silk scrunchie, and get this. So you remember how last year I was complaining about the fact that my poor hair was just dry and crunchy and going through it, and I was using like the best of the best of the best? Well, my youngest baby child is now going through the exact same thing, and do you know what brought their hair back? Flipping Pantene, just like the mama. So this is the Pantene Pro Miracles Miracle Bond Repair Keratin and Vitamin E. This is a 1-minute miracle conditioner that visibly repairs 8 signs of damage. Need that in my life. We've got the Pantene Miracle Rescue Deep Repair Conditioner. Oh my gosh, they hooked the girl up. Keratin Vitamin E. This is the shampoo that goes with this one. Oh my gosh, how cute are the clippies? Love those, love those, love those. And then we've got this nice little purse thing, little bag. It's like a cute little bag to store things in. How cute is that? I can put my clips and everything, my little brush and all of that in here. I am definitely excited to try these products out. Thank you so much, Pantene, for sending this over my way. I'm telling you guys, if you guys have been with me for a hot doggone minute, I was complaining last summer at how dry my hair was, and I didn't know what to do. And then my husband and I had stayed in an Airbnb, and it was in like one of those pumps on the wall, and I messaged the lady and I was like, hey, so sorry to bother you. She's like, no, it's fine. Is everything okay? I said, actually, everything is wonderful. My hair has never felt this amazing, and I can't even tell you how long. Can you please tell me what is in your shower? And she said, oh sweetie, that's Pantene. Game changer. So yeah, ever since last summer, I have been using nothing but Pantene, and it's amazing. So thank you so much. They actually saw my TikTok and they were like, can we send you some of our latest products? So I greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much, Pantene, for sending this over my way. Like I said, my 18-year-old is now on Pantene too. So anyways, let's go ahead and get into the outro, and let me know you guys' thoughts. Did you like your choices? Because like I said, I wasn't like overly over the top with the choices. I didn't feel like, you know what I mean? And for it to be an icon month, I did honestly think we were going to see a little bit more of Patrick Star. in like dwindling down in the other boxes and bags. You know what I mean? Like I expected a little something, but we didn't get it. So anyways, let me know you guys' thoughts down below. Make sure to check me out on my other channels, Hotmess Momma Vlogs for curvy girl fashion hauls over there, Hotmess in the House for random stuff that I don't even know what I'm going to post. I just film it and post it. And then I'm on TikTok and Instagram at hotmessmomma4. Make sure to subscribe to mine and Haley's podcast, Unconditional Hot Mess Podcast, here on YouTube and on Spotify. We're taking a little hiatus because my girl is getting married. I'm so excited. There's so much going on for the month of May and June, y'all. Like, mama's not ready. Whole new journey. But July's going to be exciting. Every month is exciting. Okay, I'm hopping off for now. Until next time, friends, I will have my link for Ipsy down below, or Boxycharm, if you want to sign up. Greatly, greatly appreciate it. Let me know your thoughts, and until next time, as always, kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye!